Recycling paper, right. Paper is actually highly recyclable. It's one of the best things to recycle. It's easiest to recycle. You get the most money back from it. It keeps the most greenhouse gases out of the air. So we were finding this one thing that we could...
We're doing that. We're in the watching area.
There's no watching in this class.
Did you ask Susan how they care if we have stuff out?
Look at you, there's a rabbit possum in there.
What?
I don't
They
want
may
to...
not want their storefront.
We already made it complicated enough.
I think he may have wanted, I think it
That's
sounded
not-
more
that's
like
not-
you were going to get in there and poke around, make no mess, then leave.
Let's not make it sound...
Is that the terminology he used?
He said, we're just going to go in there, not going to, what did you say? We're not going to cause any damage.
All we have to do is come up with our protocol. This is going to be a memory.
That's good.
Alright, come in here and look, guys. This one's fairly clean. Alright, this one's fairly clean. Alright, guys, this one's fairly clean. Everybody come in here and take a look.
It doesn't have to smell. Okay, so there's somebody stand on this of it. But see, there's a little picture of
Okay, I'm joining Madeline on the watching team.
Now, guys, one way to avoid getting in these because they're dirty is to take a stick.
Let's take a break. Let's take a break.
Twist the stick around the plastic bag. Take a stick, stick it in the plastic, swirl it like this. Then you can lift up 30, 40 pounds, 50, 100 pounds. Okay. And it's got, look, it's got all this tensile strength right here. If you just grab this bag and it's really heavy, it'll just pull right through. So you can lift. The point is, we got to sort this stuff.
Michael, we don't want to dump that one.
Michael, no.
What?
Absolutely not.
We don't know what's
Michael, absolutely not.
What? We gotta look.
I'm gonna get
We're not gonna dump. We're not gonna dump.
Susan. Send it right there.
So you are right. Your idea was confirmed. We got some
Is
kind
there any? Okay, so what's in here?
We got
Cardboard, which is
cardboard.
supposed to not be allowed in the landfill.
Now, guys, here's what we're doing. We're collecting the data, right? But this data will be shared anonymously. So we're not going to put down. We're not going to share with the companies.
Michael, that one says cardboard only.
Sweetheart, listen to there. We're not going to share this data with other companies. So Five Below will not see this data, and then they will not see Five Below's data. The county commissioners won't see the data from either this company or Five Below. It'll be anonymized. We'll take the names of the companies off. Okay? We'll just say it's a retail store in a local mall. We won't even say it's at Alamance Crossroads. We'll say it's at an upscale new mall versus a low profit old mall, or an outlet mall versus a real mall. Right? Those are the kind of distinctions we put on it. So now, when we say there's cardboard in here, we start looking at it in a punitive manner, like they did wrong. Remember, we do wrong just by driving here. They probably didn't do this on purpose, but what we have to say is this is not punitive data we're collecting to harm the people that made this. We're using this to make a better plan for the county. So we're gonna confirm this data. So yes, this is cardboard. It should not be in this. It should be in the cardboard section. But I want you to notice something. There's plenty of plastic in here. This should all be recycled, right? Now there is a thing called an automatic.
We have permission. We're good.
Automatic sorter. Already covered in food like this, the people that buy it don't want food on the stuff that they buy from the recycled supplier. So when they come to the county and they say, we want to buy your cardboard, and they say, we got some cardboard, look at it. And the guys come out, the inspectors, and go, this is covered in food. We're not buying this. It's not good quality. We'll give you pennies for this. You have to give them dry cardboard for this bike rack. We'll give you something to pull around with. Because otherwise, I'm going to need my stick to get these out of here. We'll wait for you to get
What do you
back.
think, Sophia? What do you think?
Here we go. Now I wouldn't try to count this, guys. I would get a representative photograph. And that representative photograph would be very challenging.
It does, but Lily, it's just the facts and how you. But the facts with this cut.
Yeah, her mom's got a stick now.
Oh, yeah, here she comes. Look, Catherine's coming armed.
She looks like Ray. Have you seen it?
Yeah, she ran it kind of like
I
her.
know, she does. Okay.
All right, so what I was suggesting was, rather than take this apart and count individual items, which is an admirable thing to do, we've done that in our class. It's hard to do in these situations to do it cleanly and do it safely, and we don't want to impose on our hosts by taking even a chance of getting hurt. I would just get your representative photograph. So I would take this and I would scoop this around until it's in the sun. You got good sun, good light. Pull this back and show a few of the items that could be recycled, and take your photograph. So again,
I got a picture, but
your unbagging section here, then sorting section here. This could also be photography. This would be a great place for photography. And then when you get dry stuff, of course, lay it out on the ground. Make a big collection. This big square right here should be all of your collectibles. And you lay them all out in a big row, right? And then you can take a good picture here. And then when you're done, take this stuff over here to Madeline. Madeline can then, she can count it, put a number on it, and you can go back in a bag and we can put it back in here, okay? Anything, of course, that you want to keep for your long-term study, is what we're calling it, long-term study material, that can go in one of these bags and that can go over there as a collectible.
Hey kids,
So I'll let y'all organize that. I'm going to get you another bag.
so listen.
All the adults are over there. All the children are over here prank calling random numbers with my phone. Why aren't you guys over with the adults?
hello, this is CVS Pharmacy. We have your. Hello, this is CVS Pharmacy. We have your prescription. The gas prescription.
She can't even fish.
Thank you. Goodbye.